How you can unban your Tinder account. Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can unban your Tinder account by following a few steps, and then you're good to go, and if you're lucky you can get back your Tinder account. Yes, that is true, that how we are going to do it. So first of all, I want to show you the reason that why Tinder might have blocked your account or banned your account. So first of all, you need to know the reasons: that fake profile and policy violations, inappropriate and offensive language, being homophobic, racist comment, spam account, posting inappropriate pictures. So if you have done these things, then your account has been banned for one of these reasons. But if you think that you have not done anything listed in these reasons, so what you can do to get back your account, I'm going to tell you in this video. Please watch this video till the end, and without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to your browser on your device, any device that you're using, and you're using any browser. You need to go and open Google, and then you can search Tinder support. And once you tap the search, and you will find the first option here is, you can see Tinder customer service. You need to tap on that one, Tinder customer service. It will lead you to Tinder customer service main page, and here you will find you can search. So what we need to do is to submit a request, because you think that the reasons that they have mentioned, you have done nothing wrong like that. So what can we help you with? You need to tap on that one, and you will find that trouble with account login. You need to tap, choose that one. As you can see, more options will open. What's going on? You need to tap can't log in, my account was banned. So you need to select that one. Once you select that one, as you can see, if you have been banned from Tinder, this means we have detected activity associated with your account that violated our terms of use or community guidelines. We take violations of our policy very seriously. As you know that Tinders have some strict policies. Please understand that you won't be able to sign up for Tinder again using your Facebook account and or phone number, the same phone number that you have been banned from, or the account that you used, your Facebook account that you used to create an account. So you cannot use that anymore, because they will ban you again, or that is already banned, so you cannot use them. So while we don't offer a formal appeals process at this time, we do review banned profile based on feedback. So they say that we don't review each and every request, but if you're lucky, they will review your request. Maybe if you're right that you have not violated any terms and policies of Tinder application, so then you can get your account back. So here is the thing, that you need to put your email first here, the email which is associated with your Tinder account which has been banned. So you need to enter your email here. Just for example, I enter the email, I then enter my phone number, the phone number which was associated with the banned account again, and then you need to write down a description that maybe something went wrong, my account, I did not violated any terms and services, or I did not go against any policy of Tinder. So you can give a very brief and very persuasive description about your problem, and then you can even send some evidence, like you can attach some file, you can take screenshot, and you can send them as attachment that I did not violated anything and my account has been banned. Once everything is done, then you need to tap on the submit option. Once you tap on the submit option, your application will be submitted, and then they will review it, and if your application is persuasive and you are right, then you can get back your account. So guys, if you watch any videos on the internet, like on YouTube, anywhere, that they claim that they can get back your banned account, that is not possible. This is the only way that you can get your account back legally. So guys, this is all it takes, that you can submit an application to get back your banned account on Tinder. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.